Number 1. How many chromosomes are there in humans? Option A, 34. Option B, 54. Option C, 65. Option D, 46. Answer is 46. Number 2. Which organelle in the cell, other than the nucleus, contains DNA? Option A, centriole. Option B, Golgi apparatus. Option C, lysosome. Option D, mitochondria. Answer D, mitochondria. Number 3. Which of the following does not have sex chromosome? Option A, monkey. Option B, tiger. Option C, butterfly. Option D, lizard. Answer D, lizard. Number 4. How does the plant cell differ from animal cell? Option A, cell wall. Option B, nucleus. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, present of cytoplasm. Answer A, cell wall. Number 5. Which of the following organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, cytoplasm. Option C, cell membrane. Option D, centrosome. Answer A, mitochondria. Number 6. Which of the following organelle play the most significant role in protein synthesis? Option A, lysosome and chromosome. Option B, endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. Option C, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria. Option D, lysosomes and mitochondria. Answer B, endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. Number 7. What is not found in animal cell? Option A, cell wall of cellulose. Option B, nucleus. Option C, entire cell. Option D, mitochondria. Answer A, cell wall of cellulose. Number 8. Corpus luteum is a mass of cells found in? Option A, ovary. Option B, brain. Option C, pancreas. Option D, spleen. Answer A, ovary. Number 9. Lymphocyte cells are formed in which part of the human body? Option A, liver. Option B, long bone. Option C, spleen. Option D, pancreas. Answer C, spleen. Number 10. Longest cell of the human body is? Option A, nerve cell. Option B, skin. Option C, egg cell. Option D, sperm cell. Answer A, nerve cell.